Okay? Now, it is important that you learn to convert units all to the SI system before you are able to solve problems. Well, in physics, we always solve problems, and we will use units in solving problems. And if I give you units other than meter, kilogram, second, you need to convert all of them to meter, kilogram, seconds before solving the problems. So I'm going to put down these conversions, and I want you to be familiar with it. 1 meter contains 1000 millimeter, and therefore 1 millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. 1 meter contains 100 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter is 100th of a meter. 1 meter contains 1,000,000 micrometer. Look at the way we write micrometer. Therefore, a micrometer is 1,000,000th of a meter. 1 meter squared contains 10 to the power 4 centimeters squared. Now, how does that happen? Now, if you want to find the area of a strip like this, you measure the length in meters or in centimeters. Now, what is 1 square meter? Is 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter. And 1 meter contains 100 centimeter. So 1 square meter is 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter, which is 10 to the power 4 centimeter squared. So 1 square meter contains 10 to the power 4 square centimeter. Did I say it correctly? 1 square meter contains 10 to the power 4 square centimeter. Therefore, 1 square centimeter is 10 to the power of -4 meter squared. In that case, can you tell me how many centimeter cube are there in a meter cube? Can you tell me? Because 1 meter cube is 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter. 1 meter multiplied 3 times. And if you write that in centimeters, it will be 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter. So 1 cubic meter contains how many centimeter cube? 1,000,000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube contains 1,000,000 centimeter cube. Therefore, 1 centimeter cube is 1,000,000th of a meter cube. Alright, let's now talk about mass. 1 kilogram contains 1,000 gram. Therefore, 1 gram is 1,000th of a kilogram. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. All these things you know. 10 to the power of 3 is a kilo. We use lowercase k for it. 10 to the power of -3 is a milli, lowercase m. Alright, 10 to the power of 6 is a megameter. And look at the abbreviation for that, uppercase M. So how do you write megameter? Uppercase M, lowercase m, megameter. 10 to the power of -6 is called micro. 10 to the power of -9 is nano. and 10 to the power of negative 12 is pico, lowercase p. Alright, so I hope you are now familiar with all these measuring standards. And now, let's see how we can convert a given quantity to meter kilogram system. Convert 25 kilometer per hour to meter per second. Now, very often you will be required to do this. If I give you the speed in kilometer per hour, you need to convert that to meter per second. Alright, now watch how I do that. I'm going to first of all write 25 kilometer per hour like this. 25 kilometer divided by 1 hour. And in the next step, you need to say 25 kilometer. Now, each kilometer contains how many meter? 1,000 meter. So write this as 25 times 10 to the power of 3 meter. You see, 25 kilometer is 25 times 10 to the power of 3 meter. And 1 hour is how many seconds? 3,600 seconds. You can see the unit is now meter per second. Alright, simplify this. What do you get? That will be 25 divided by 3.6 meter per second. Now, you will ask me, why did I write it like this? Well, I wrote it like this for one reason. In order to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, what all you need to do is divide that number by 3.6, isn't it? Kilometer per hour can be converted to meter per second by simply dividing by 3.6. So 25 kilometer per hour is 25 divided by 3.6 meter per second. And that is 6.94 meter per second. Alright, we will be doing this very often as we go on. So when I ask you to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, what all you need to do is divide by 3.6. Alright, let's do another conversion. Convert 3.5 gram per centimeter cube to kilogram per meter cube. Okay, we will do the same thing. Write it like this. 3.5 gram per centimeter cube is the same as 3.5 gram divided by 1 centimeter cube. And in the next step, you got to convert the gram to kilogram. Now, how do you convert gram to kilogram? A gram is 1,000th of a kilogram. 10 to the power of negative 3 of a kilogram. So 3.5 gram is 3.5 times 10 to the negative 3 kilogram. And centimeter cube has to become meter cube. What part of a meter cube is a centimeter cube? Well, we talked about it. 1 meter cube contains 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube will be a millionth of a meter cube. 10 to the power of negative 6 of a meter cube. So a centimeter cube is 10 to the power of negative 6 of a meter cube. And when you simplify this, what do you get? That will be 3.5 times 10 to the 3 kilogram per meter cube. So you must be well versed in the art of converting units like this. Okay, let's do a simple problem. The radius of the Earth is 6,700 kilometers. Find the volume of the Earth and express it in cubic meter. Well, the Earth is a sphere. Now, how many of you know the formula for the volume of a sphere? Well, you need to know that. You've all done college algebra, pre-calculus, calculus 1, and some of you calculus 2, right? The volume of a sphere is given by V equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So there's nothing more in this problem except use that formula. And r, the radius, is given in kilometer. We need the answer in cubic meter. So you need to convert kilometer to meter cube. So here the radius r is 6,700 kilometer. That is 6,700 times 1,000 meter, 10 to the power of 3 meter. And that is 6.7 times 10 to the 6 meter. So use this value over here. V equal to 4/3 pi, r is 6.6 times 10 to the 6. Well, it should be 6.7. You make that correction. And that will be approximately 1.26 times 10 to the 21 cubic meter is the volume of the Earth. All right. Let's now